Hello, welcome. Hey, it's Andrew here with ForexDayTrader.com. I have a free strategy that I want to show you in the next few minutes on this video. I call it the HA30 Forex method. The HA stands for Heiken Ashi, which is an indicator pretty much defaulted on most trading platforms. You should be able to access to it in your indicators. You just click in there and look for the Heiken Ashi indicator, which is a little bit of a different style of Japanese candlestick. Just before I get into that, there's a picture of me here in Southern California where I live. That's where I'm from, and I was taking a stroll there at the beach, not in my shorts. It was wintertime at that time in California, which isn't real cold, but it's cold enough for me not to be wearing shorts. And anyway, just to put a face to my voice here and the video, just introduce myself, say hello, and say hey guys, I'm a regular guy, an experienced trader. I've been involved in trading since the early 90s, and I've started in commodities, stocks. I've struggled in and out. I've spent a lot of money on courses and what have you. I've been through the ringer, and hopefully with this strategy it can help if you're a beginner, maybe help shorten the learning curve a little bit. If you're an experienced trader, maybe add something to your trading toolbox. And in recent years, though, I've become pretty successful developing. I still work a full-time job, but it's a nice additional income for me trading the Forex. And I've developed some of my own strategies that I use on a regular basis. And this is one of them. I don't use this as much, but it's easy to learn, and it's easy to teach, and it's very visual, easy to pick up. It's pretty successful. I got a lot of testimonies on my website about it, and a lot of traders, even if you're an experienced trader, they'll kind of use some of it and they'll add things themselves to it. Add their own indicators or their own way of entering. They use some of the information for their own, to make it their own strategy. So anyway, moving forward here, I'm going to give you the strategy in a nutshell and a couple of other things that are included if you do decide to sign up on my email list at www.forexdaytrader.com. Let me just focus in here for you. It's a little bit blocked there, but or you can click on the link in the description box. That'll take you to the website. You sign up on the email list in the sign up box to the right of the website. When you get there, and included with training of this strategy, the HA30, 30 meaning I use it on the 30-minute chart. I also give you training on using it on a 5-minute chart, but that's a little different because it's during high volume times, but that's free as well if you sign up. And also you get this custom trend indicator, which is something I found in my travels, and I'm just passing it on. It indicates the trends, and this HA30 is a trend method. We'll be trading with the trends, so it gives you a good visual indication of the trend, and it's pretty easily installed. I show you how you install it on MetaTrader. It's not for any other type of platform. It's only for MetaTrader that I know of. So you can I'll show you how to install that on. Now, I'm not a high-tech guy, so if you can't get this installed, I do show you in the training how to use a moving average, which comes defaulted on all trading platforms. So I'll show you how to use that if you can't use it. It's not necessary, but it's a cool little feature to have, cool little tool to have, which you get for free and at the website there. So anyway, in this Heiken Ashi, this is a Great British Pound chart, 30-minute. Obviously, we're in a downtrend. The Heiken Ashi candlestick measures, basically, I'll give you more detail in the training, obviously, but measures the moving average. And when you get a 1 or 2 candle pullback of the opposite color of the trend here on this side being down, obviously, because it's all red, so the white candle indicates up. So the trend started to change. The moving average price basically changed and started moving up, and then it corrected back down, signifying that with a closed candle, the next candle here red, signifying that it possibly wants to continue moving with the trend going down. So typically what I would do is once I get this confirmation, this candle closing down red, just leaving this one white candle out here, I'm going to place a sell at the close of this confirmation candle, and I'm going to put a stop to my nearest within the trend, to my nearest swing high. This, you see this swing high of the trend here. I'm going to put a stop up above here. In this case, it was about 20 pips, and then my target is going to be double the amount that I'm risking, because we want to, be able to absorb losses. You're going to have losses. This is not the holy grail, but it definitely works out in the long run. You definitely want to demo trade this, obviously, and work with it. Get used to finding the entries and exits, and what have you. See how it goes. Now, the only time that this strategy is not great to be in is when you're in a volatile, real choppy market, and it's pretty easy to spot. So when you got a lot of up and down just going sideways, then you probably want to stay out, obviously. So anyway, so we have our stop up here 20 pips and our target down here 40 pips, and you can use a trailing stop or you can just let it ride. And as I said just a few minutes ago, it's either a 1 or 2 candle. No more than that. I don't use 3 candle pullbacks or 4 candle pullbacks. I only use 1 or 2. So in this case, going to the upside, we had a change in the trend right here, and right after changing the trend, we had the confirmation that the market wanted to continue moving up. So you placed a buy right at the close of this candle. So at the close of this candle right here, and a stop loss down below the swing low, going to the upside. In this case, it was 35 pips, so our target was 70, and we just got the in on that. We got grabbed about 70 pips here. So this buy was down in the 54.25 area, and I got out at the 54.95 area. So giving us about it's about 70 pips. Basically, that's it. So you get, if you sign up, obviously, and as I said earlier, hey, I'm a regular guy. I'm not a guru. I'm not out to fill your inbox with a bunch of junk mail and promotional stuff or hyped up stuff or stuff. I am giving this, as I move forward here a little bit more, I am giving this away as a promotional to my website and to another strategy that I have on the website that I have up for purchase. It's a scalping method where pretty much at a lot of it's pretty available, so that at almost any time, during a regular trading session, you can sit down on the computer and scalp the market. I call it the SLP. It's on the website if you want to take a look at it. That's fine. There is no obligation to buy getting this free one. It's mainly with me giving away this information. I also ask that if you have a chance and the opportunity, or you have some questions or feedback as to how you would trade it, I'd appreciate the feedback. That's all, and that helps me in the future for if I want to continue training other traders. So it's kind of a feedback, kind of a win-win situation. You get this this information for free, and there's a lot of it. You not only get the members area with training of the HA30, but you get some other input from some other traders, as I'll show you here in a minute. First of all, free, you get the custom color trend indicator that I talked about, and a video install instructions. I show you in the members area how to install that custom trend indicator on the MetaTrader. You get a video training of the HA30 trend method that I just showed you. You get more detail about that, and I'll show you how that goes, and you get some trade management tips. You get a video training of the HA5 for news report trading time. Right around when there's a lot of high volume, I'll show you how I trade using the Heiken Ashi indicator on a 5-minute chart. Ongoing on the video blogs, HA30 commentaries. I'll come in a couple times a month or so and add some videos showing you how I'm looking at the market and setting up for the next day for a possible HA30 trade. On the blog is also some complimentary video tutorials for MetaTrader, complimentary trading principle videos, and we'll be adding more. I only have a couple up right now. We'll be adding some more in the future, and questions from other traders and answers for myself If you scroll down the bottom pages on this blog, which you'll get a link to if you sign up in your first email, you get a link and a password to the members area, and then there's also some free areas that you get access to on the blog for all these different complimentary videos. So a lot of good information that I hope to pass on to you as a way of giving back also from myself for the success that I'm experiencing trading the Forex, and my passion and interest in developing strategies and then passing it on. So hopefully you get involved. I hope you do. I hope to see you on the other side. Hope you have a great trading week, and hope to talk to you again soon. Take care and good trading to you.